In this video, I'll show you how to record expenses in Zoho Books quickly and accurately. Whether you're running a small business or managing personal finances, keeping track of expenses is key to financial clarity. Once you logged into Zoho Books, head to the Purchases section on the left menu and click Expenses. Then click the plus new button at the top right to create a new expense entry. Start by entering the date of the expense to keep your records in order. If the expense is linked to a specific employee, you can select their name here. Next, choose the expense account, for example, travel, utilities, or office supplies, to properly categorize your spending. Now select the payment mode used, such as cash, bank, or card. You can also attach the expense to a vendor for better tracking, and if it's related to a customer project, mark it as billable so it can be invoiced later. Once everything looks good, click Save and your expense will be recorded. That's it, you've successfully added an expense in Zoho Books. Keeping your expenses organized helps you stay on top of your finances and generate accurate reports. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho tips.